If you're watching this video about OpenClaw at Hostinger, make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more hosting and AI tool updates, and let's get straight into it. So, today we're talking about OpenClaw at Hostinger, mainly focusing on pricing, discounts, and whether it's actually worth it or not. OpenClaw comes in two main options. The first one is Managed OpenClaw, which is the beginner-friendly version. You don't need to worry about servers, setup, or anything technical because everything is handled by Hostinger. Installation, updates, and security are all managed for you, so it basically works like a plug-and-play system. Now, in terms of pricing, the regular monthly cost is around $21.99 per month, but with the current offer, it drops to around $10.99 per month, and the real advantage comes when you choose longer billing cycles. If you go for 12 months or 24 months, the price goes even lower, with the best plan going down to around $599 per month. So the longer you commit, the more you save. The second option is OpenClaw on VPS, which is built for advanced users, developers, and agencies who want full control. In this version, you get root access and you deploy everything manually, usually using Docker. It gives you a lot more flexibility, but it also requires technical knowledge. For pricing, KVM 1 starts at around $19.99 per month, but with the discount, it drops to about $9.99. KVM 2 goes from around $27.99 down to roughly $13.99 with the offer. Higher plans like KVM 4 and KVM 8 are more powerful and more expensive, but they also follow the same discount pattern where longer plans give much better savings. Now, the important part is the discount itself. If you use the link in the description, you can get a guaranteed discount of up to 20% extra on top of the existing promotional pricing. So you're not relying on random coupon codes or searching around. The discount is already applied through the official link, and in most cases, it gives you better savings than manual coupons. So the smartest way to approach it is simple. Use the official link and choose a longer billing cycle if you want maximum savings. OpenClaw at Hostinger is actually quite flexible. Managed version is best if you want something simple and ready to use without technical work, while VPS version is better if you want full control, customization, and scalability. There are a few pros worth noting. It's easy to start with Managed OpenClaw. It supports automation across WhatsApp, Telegram, and email, and it scales well from beginner use to agency-level setups. On the VPS side, you get full control and flexibility, which is great for developers and agencies, but there are also some downsides. The VPS version does require technical setup and maintenance, and the managed version has limited customization. Also, the best pricing only really comes with longer commitments. So overall, if you want simplicity, go with Managed OpenClaw. If you want control, go with VPS OpenClaw. And if your main goal is saving money, then long-term plans combined with the official link give you the best possible deal with up to 20% extra discount. If you found this helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.